There will be only 6 to 8 weeks left till we reach here our bull market top. So in today's video, I will explain you exactly where I will take profits from all my trades, where the next liquidity is sitting, also how the Nasdaq is performing. Of course, we have also talked about Bitcoin and Ethereum because I opened here one new Ethereum and one new Bitcoin position. So definitely stick around and let's directly start here with today's content. If you're new to the channel, leave a like and also subscribe to the channel that you never miss out one of the next videos. I'm doing every day here a crypto update for you, even it's a live stream where we will do some trading sessions or also here crypto updates here in the morning. So let's directly start here on today's Bitcoin chart, because here on the 4-hourly chart, there's one thing we have to definitely keep an eye on it. And this is here, this triangle we broke here to the upside. Target zone is here 119,400 US dollars. We're kind of on track, getting here one more push here on Bitcoin to the downside, but the main target is here, remains here 119,400 US dollars. We're kind of on track here, respecting here our resistance line to the upside here on the top side, and even also on the downside here our support line. So as long we're not breaking here 115,400 US dollars and getting here into lower levels, I'm not very concerned about that we're reaching here definitely also our trade target. So we could potentially see here something like this and then break out here in direction of the next high. Even also here we are creating something like a bull flag. So if you take the pole here from the last breakout and put it directly to our range here right now, if you're breaking here now out in direction of the conservative target would be 122,000 US dollars. If you're taking the breakout directly on the top of the breakout, it would give us the next all-time high in direction of 125,000 US dollars. And I will explain you later why the 125,000 US dollars is so important here on the 4-hourly chart. If we're breaking here one more time to the downside, I would also not be that concerned. I only be concerned if you're losing these support line here down below at 109,000 US dollars, because if you're losing here 109,000, 107,000 US dollars, there could be one more flush here to the downside in direction of 105,000 US dollars, because there's also some liquidity sitting down below there. We will also talk later about the liquidity, but in my mind, it looks more and more that we're breaking here out in direction of the higher levels. Even also on the liquidation heat map, as we can see, a lot of liquidity is building to the upside, 120,000 to 119,000 US dollars. There is the main liquidity sitting. There's one more liquidity left at 114,300 US dollars, so kind of like in this range. So there could be potentially also one more leg to the downside. But if we get this one more leg to the downside, so we see something like this one here, I will be not that concerned, because then we are also creating a new inverse head and shoulders here on the 4-hourly chart. So we would have here, see the left shoulder, then we have here our head, would create here our right shoulder. If we're getting here one more down, maybe like testing here this level of 114,000 US dollars, 113,600 US dollars, that would give us the right shoulder. And then it depends how far we are breaking to the upside. If you're breaking here in direction of 120,000 US dollars or even also higher in the next all-time high, that would give us the perfect right shoulder. And when we are taking the neckline here in top of our resistance line, for the price target from the neckline to our head. So if you're breaking here out of our neckline, it would be gave us a target of 143,000 US dollars, which also potentially get here our bull market top here on Bitcoin. And by talking about the bull market top, let's go here straight to our Bitcoin chart on the weekly. As we can see here, we have our logarithmic curve. So we see here in between of the red and the green line, we almost every time on the bull market cycle we saw here exactly the top, and this is exactly the range we are sitting here right now. So we are kind of breaking now here also on our green line to the upside, respecting these as a support, and as soon we're reaching here the red line, this would be the top line. So definitely there you should take profits here on Bitcoin. So what means the bull market top could be here around between 174,000 US dollars and 100. Yeah, kind of like in the middle, I would say, if you're breaking new all-time high in direction of 130,000 US dollars. So as we can sort exactly like here. So here in the last bull run, between the green and the red line, we found our top of the bull market. So exactly what's happening here right now. So I expect here one more push to the upside. And then in kind of middle of December, end of December, we should potentially also see here the top market here on Bitcoin. Because even also when we're going here a little bit back on the charts, we can see exactly this cycle playing out perfectly. So also here here we market the bull top, then we market bear market low. So even also here, the bull market top, the bear market low, and is exactly in kind of the same ratio daters. So if we are getting here our date range, so here we have a date range of kind of 410 days. So here we have between the bull market top and the bull market, and here on the second run we have also our bull market top and also the bear market low, and here on the last time also exactly the same kind of ratio of the dates. And even also in the next bear market we potentially also will see something like the same, also like kind of a little bit more than 1 year we will also get here in the bear market. How it could potentially look if we are getting here in a new bear market. So we put out this bear market low, getting directly to our last bear market low, and put this chart in top of our last cycle. So here we have our bear market low, would potentially give us also here in direction. Let's adjust this a little bit. So we take this low here, also kind of not that accurate, but it would potentially also give here us the new highs here around 150,000 US dollars, which potentially got also even in alignment with our inverse head and shoulders here on the 4-hourly chart, or even on the daily chart. It will be looks a little bit similar, but this one also shows us that we could potentially see the last pump here in the next couple of weeks. So in my opinion, between 4 to 8 weeks we will see here definitely one more pump, and this would be remark also the bull market top, and then we go slightly over in the next bear market. For the bear market low, I would count this here between 50,000 and kind of 17,000 US dollars, which could be already kind of the same price range what we saw in the last bull run. So in the last bull run we got also a correction of 76%. If you will see the same from our bull market top, would be also gave us here 76%, even also a little bit lower, 33,000 US dollars. I would potentially see not that low, so kind of like here in direction of 50,000 US dollars. And this could potentially also even make sense, because in the last bear market we got here to this Fibonacci level 0.23, then we get one level higher 0.38, and in the next cycle we would even also go a little bit higher of the Fibonacci here around, what is this, the 0.5. So we could potentially go here. So every bear market we get one more Fibonacci level higher, because a lot of more institutional money will flow into the market. The market will be more stable than it has been here in the beginning of the market. So this is mainly my outcome for the next couple of weeks. So in my mind, in the next 4 to 8 weeks, we will see here a massive rally to the upside, even also on all these altcoins and even also on Bitcoin. That's also the reason why I opened a new Bitcoin and a new Ethereum position. I opened this position here on BYDFi. It's a great platform, and BYDFi is offering you a great deposit bonus. So just go in the video description, create an account under my link, and then you are able to get here up to 2,000 US dollars on deposit bonus. Even on bonus, you get 1 year VIP level 1. So you will also save a lot off on trading fees. Great exchange. I will also start copy trading on this platform again, so make sure you sign up under my link, because copy trading will be only possible if you sign up under my link. Otherwise, all information you find in the video description. My trades on BitUnix still doing well, all trades here in profit. On BitUnix I mainly use my swing position, so I use this platform mainly for my swing position. On BYDFi I go here for scalp position. As you can see here, I scalped here this Ethereum long, but my main positions are here stacked here on BitUnix. So even also here on BitUnix, I will not close my position at all yet. I will wait definitely if we're reaching here our bull market top. And that's basically all from the video today. From liquidity side, all is set to a massive move here to the upside in direction of 119, 120,000 US dollars. This is exactly I position myself. If you want to learn more about trading, just join our Telegram channel. There I share a lot of information. Even also I shared yesterday these altcoin. Link to our Telegram you'll find under the video. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then we see you in the next update video.